Well, we have certainly seen the images, the devastation caused by Hurricane Helene. Homes and businesses, roads and bridges destroyed. So many organizations and people, though, have been stepping up to help rebuild and put those pieces back together. And of course, that includes Holston Habitat for Humanity. This morning, we want to welcome the Executive Director, Laura Kelly, to the show to talk about their efforts in the new year. Great to have you on the show.
Thanks for having me.
And you have lots of good news to really share with our viewers this morning.
Yes, we wanted to come and share that we have funding available to support Hurricane Helene victims, people who lost their homes, had severe damage to their homes, and we want to help. We want to help repair homes. So we are already working in Carter, Washington, and Unicoi counties, providing free critical home repair. So a lot of the work that we're doing and will continue to do includes putting in new insulation, cabinets, new plumbing, electrical, drywall, all of the things that would have been mucked out after the homes have been flooded. So we want to continue doing that work, and so I just wanted to share that we are looking for people to apply so that we can use the funding that we've been given and give it back to the community.
That is amazing, because of course when we see the video and we continue to look, there are so many people that have all these different degrees of damage and destruction.
Right. So we can help with something as small as shoring up an entrance, rebuilding a deck so that people can safely get into their homes, in comparison to doing a full home restoration. So there's really not a minimum entry level to receive help from Habitat.
What have you been hearing from those you've been able to assist during this time?
Gosh, people just want to be back in their home. And I think all of our hearts collectively break for those who lost everything. And so, you know, seeing people get back into their homes, it just means the world to us, and it certainly means the world to them. So we're more motivated than ever to help make that a reality.
What about people in the community? Can we still help and get involved and volunteer, kind of be part of your ongoing efforts?
Yeah, I mean, these temperatures are a little tricky to work in.
Maybe not outside doing roofing right now, but
later this spring we'll have more opportunities for local volunteers to get involved. So you'll see on our website we've got a place where you can put your contact information so that when we have volunteer opportunities, we'll send out a blast, invite the community to come help.
That's wonderful. And we see the website right there and how easy that is. Is the website also where we can go ahead and apply for some assistance?
Yes, you'll see on our Helene landing page that you can come help, give help, get help. Those are the three sections. So if you need to apply, you see the application right there on the website.
And anything our viewers need to know when applying for that assistance?
We will ask for a lot of the typical supporting documentation that folks are used to if they've applied for FEMA. So we need to know about income limits, we need to know if they own their residence, things like that. But if they have trouble with the application, we're more than happy to help.
What's it feel like as an agency? You said a lot of times with grants, we're not given that money until after everything is done, which makes it really hard. This time that money is actually up front for you guys to be able to use in aiding these people. Yeah,
I mean, it's a real gift. And I think our local community, our region, even national folks who've donated to Holston Habitat, they see that the need is immediate and that we need to respond now. And so it's been a real gift to the organization that we have upfront funding that we can go ahead and spend. We don't have to wait. So that's why we've got a sense of urgency, because we want to use it and help people as soon as possible.
And of course, you have such a reputation of doing that over the years, the history and the homes and the families that you have already helped.
This is actually our 40th anniversary in 2025. So we've been here in the Tri-Cities working for a really long time. And again, our service area, we cover Sullivan, Carter, Washington, and now Unicoi counties. We go up into Southwest Virginia. So we've been here for a while. We're going to continue to be here for a long time. And while we're working now, we're going to be serving especially Helene victims for the next couple years.
Yeah. Absolutely. Well, Laura, thank you so much for joining us. Great information. We're going to give everybody more. Again, that website to go to if you would like to apply or if you would like to help out. Coming up later this spring, you can go to holstonhabitat.org. You can also call the number right there on your screen.